A backbone of today's locomotive fleet's model and prototype, WalthersMainline SD70ACes are nicely detailed, affordably priced, and ready for service on your HO railroad. Our newest run includes power from the BNSF Railway, Union Pacific, Kansas City of Mexico, and Norfolk Southern in black and white, as well as the New York Central, Penn Central, and Wabash Heritage units from NS. Along with great looks and great performance, this run is available with factory-installed ESU sound for DC or DCC layouts and in standard DC versions. Boxcars are still a critical part of modern freight operations, and the new WalthersMainline 60-foot Plate F Boxcars are right at home alongside HO intermodal, oil, and unit trains. Since our first release is already sold out here in Milwaukee, we want to be sure you have plenty of time to pre-order cars from the next series. 4 new road numbers will be available for the Canadian National, Canadian Pacific, CSX, and T-Box Yellow schemes, and there are 5 new schemes including Co-Rail, Kansas City Southern, Norfolk Southern, Union Pacific, and a brown T-Box patch scheme. These models feature the prototypically correct roof with both X and diagonal panels and separately applied door latch bars, bringing you a great model at a great price. Making their debut at the National Train Show, an all-new HO scale 5-unit Thrall Rebuilt 40-foot well car is on the way from WalthersMainline. While 48 containers were phased out quickly, the cars built to carry them had plenty of life left, and these kit-bashed 40-foot cars have been in service from 2003 to the present, handling 20 and 40-foot containers in the wells and 53-foot containers on top. Our models feature a die-cast metal body for excellent performance empty or loaded that features finely cast 3D brake rod and chain details, as well as the signature weld lines found on the prototypes. Applied details, including separate deck-mounted walkways, brake gear and piping, and IBC storage boxes make them look like the real thing. Along with these new 5-unit cars, new TTX schemes representing 3 versions of standalone single cars are coming shortly too. HO fans of the late steam and early diesel eras will need plenty of these colorful WalthersMainline PS-1 Boxcars on the roster. Based on early post-war production cars built with Pullman standard ends without rectangles, the models also feature 6-foot superior doors, see-through Apex steel running boards, and a bow-tie roof with flat panels. Perfect for freight service east or west, road names include Chicago Great Western, Milwaukee Road, Minneapolis Northfield and Southern, New Haven, New York Central, and Rutland, each available with 3 different car numbers. You'll put your stamp of approval on the all-new ACF 70-foot heavyweight baggage railway post office from WalthersProto. Typical of cars that served dedicated mail trains and secondary passenger routes into the late 1960s, the models feature a 30-foot postal apartment and separate catcher arms so they can operate in either direction like the prototypes. The HO models feature either a clerestory or round roof as appropriate, while the Pullman green unlettered version includes both styles for easy customizing. Other great features include a detailed interior with sorting stanchions and letter cases, as well as a highly detailed underbody. Shift your modeling into high gear with a new cross-dock truck facility coming soon in HO scale from Cornerstone. A fixture of many industrial areas from the 1940s to the present, these facilities received, sorted, and consolidated all kinds of freight shipments, and many are still used as office and warehouse by electrical contractors, plumbers, painters, and more. The kit includes a nicely detailed brick office and receiving loading docks with doors, the correct height for up to 12 trailers or trucks, easily modeled with SceneMaster vehicles available separately. What happens when a contemporary truck or boxcar can't get to a loading dock? No problem. Bring the dock directly to them. This new Cornerstone HO model makes it easy to add the portable ramps seen at Team Tracks and many industries where they're used to speed loading and unloading operations. Parts for 2 complete ramps are included, each featuring detailed decks with realistic tread plate and grading. Give your HO layout a lift when you install the new traveling crane with Brick Street from Cornerstone. A fixture of waterfronts, shipyards, and all kinds of heavy industries, these hard-working machines in the brick-paved areas below served well into the 20th century in many locations. The crane features a positionable cab, along with a detailed boom and hook. Adding rail service is easy too, as each of the 3 detailed brick paving sections accepts codes 83 rails sold separately for up to 73 inches of street and craneways, and 3 matching sections are available in a separate kit of 3 for bigger installations. Residents along your HO Railroad will appreciate this convenient and contemporary shopping center, coming soon from Cornerstone. This new kit builds into a typical strip mall with 3 storefronts featuring a decorative front wall and printed signs for a variety of businesses. Tucked alongside coal and building materials dealers big and small, ramps like this new Cornerstone kit made quick work of unloading hoppers. Perfect for HO layouts from the 1900s to the 1960s, the kit includes a detailed trestle and supports, abutment, railings, walkways, and bulkhead. Molded ramps simplify installing track on a grade, and a pair of coal conveyors are provided for the finishing touch. Put a little extra life in your HO layout with these new figure sets from SceneMaster. Whether it's taking a relaxing boat ride with a rowboat and passenger set, going up the country with a motorcyclist, or finding the perfect spot trackside for the photographers, you'll find lots of ways to make your railroad more realistic with these sets.
It's safe to operate your trains. You're wrong, because here comes a zombie outbreak.
A perfect start to your own HO apocalypse. Our newest figure set includes 6 creepy figures shambling along with grotesque hand-painted details. Perfect for scaring up a little fun along the tracks at Halloween or any time. Based on suggestions for additional accessories for Walthers Layout Control System, several new items will be available shortly to simplify your layout projects. Our new horizontal mount switch machine brings you all the great features of the original and a new space-saving design perfect for multi-deck layouts or anywhere clearances are limited. The new stall motor switch controller and exciting new accessories make it easy to add Walthers Layout Control System plug-and-play controls and indicators to your current DCC or DC layout. Designed especially for stall motor machines like the Tortoise, Cobalt, Hankscraft, SwitchMaster, and others you may already have installed, the stall motor switch controller includes a 6-inch plug-in lead that can be soldered to existing machines, or simplify installation with the Tortoise using the Edge Connector 2-pack for easy plug-and-play wiring. Be sure to check out the new LED indicators too, perfect for remote signals or indicating power status.